Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warrior, your boy is back. Yonis Rishi. Today I'm going to make this video about Japanese animation. As I'm a big fan of animation, this video will be guess the Japanese animation character within 5 seconds. So I have to guess each one of them within 5 seconds. So let's try. Before we start the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. As I told you, I have only 5 seconds to guess the animation character. I hope it will be easy because 5 seconds is not enough. So let's start. Uh, the guy, Vegeta. This guy is Vegeta. Yeah, Vegeta. Because I know his hair. Like that kind of from Attack on Titans, Mikasa. Yeah, Mikasa from Attack on Titans. Attack on Titans, and who's next? Senchi, the chef. I have his captain here, Luffy. Yeah, Senchi. L from Death Note. Death Note Pokujira. Detective Kuweba. I don't know this guy. This character I don't know. He's Hisoka and Hunter x Hunter. Inaqabtuwi. Waayo qofka gacantiisa isticmaala dee animation wada isticmaalaan laakiin sig wax kale soo saarana from the from the right leg from the right leg. Ooh, Sakura. Conan. Angle experience laptop ka dukun banoqoya. Conan. Yako higa. Who's next? Goku. Same shit like Vegeta. The hair, yeah. This one should be Sasuke. I was a big fan of Naruto, but not now, not anymore. This guy is my favorite at all. Like Zoro. Yep, Zoro. Because I have his captain here. Luffy is my number one animation now. This one is the Ryuk. Yeah, Ryuk from Death Note. Yeah, Ryuk. Kazu. Aryan. Oh, I don't know this character. Midoriya. Killua. Hunter x Hunter. كان waxa weeye naqabtuwi wallahi waa adkaaday challenge. The challenge is becoming more difficult. Like 5 seconds, it's not enough. I think it's from Boku no Hero, but Midoriya. Yeah, Midoriya. I was just saying his name, but Gohan from Dragon Ball. I know this guy is too easy. The hair, look at the hair, it's too easy. Hey, the pirate. Luffy from Guild 4. Luffy. Gon, for sure. Gon. Karnas. Hunter x Hunter, as you call it. Gon. Saitama. One Punch Man. Saitama. Oh, that's all. The video was just like that. The challenge was somehow difficult, somehow too easy, because some characters, like from Hunter x Hunter, I didn't watch the whole series, so it was complicated. I guess how many was correct? I don't know. Let's just say. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on social media. See you until next time. Bye bye.